Boy, I feel like Neil Armstrong. Stepping out onto the snow right now. That's one small step onto the snow, one giant freeze that I'm feeling. This is what it looks like out here in the Whitehorn Cove area in Wagner, Oklahoma, out near Fort Gibson Lake. This is looking out the front of my property, and so I've got, if you look right here, I've got major snow drift. I'd say that's probably, I don't know, probably 18 inches, maybe. It's hard to say. Anyway, my mailbox is down the driveway there, so I'm going to go down. I doubt if the mail came today, but I'm going to journey down, see if there's anything in the mailbox. So if you want to just kind of go along with me. Well, as I'm treading through the snow, it's coming up almost halfway to my knees. I don't think I'm going to be able to get out of this. I don't even know if I have a snow shovel to shovel the driveway. So anyway, as you can see, it's a fairly long driveway. And, wind out here is pretty cold. Some of the trees you can probably see are moving around. There are times when the wind picks up, other times when it's fairly calm. And as it looks here, it doesn't look like anything's been up through here. Here's my mailbox. And as I expected, nothing inside there. Head back up to the house. Here's a little view. Across there is one of my neighbors. Around here is another neighbor's house. And there's my house right now, right there. And there's my little buddy named Lucky. He's not really used to this. And in fact, I don't think he's ever been in any snow this deep. So anyway, we're going to try and trek back inside and see if I can make it without falling down. You can probably see the way that Lucky kind of came down through here, along with some of my footsteps along the way, and kind of looking up when that's my outer building. This, of course, is my house, and it looks like snow's not quite as deep up on top of the house as it is for what I'm having to trek back through going back here, but I can't tell you the snow is rather deep, and I'm just kind of glad that I don't have to deal with this every day. Once again, I don't know, I may be stuck here for the next few days. Got a wind chime right here, as well as another one right there. And I'll tell you, those things have been really chiming away all day today. So anyway, this is Rick reporting from Wagner, Oklahoma. It's going on, I believe, about 4:30 on Tuesday afternoon, February 1st, 2011. the blizzard, the Oklahoma blizzard of 2011.